December 27th, 2025. A fragile hope for peace in Southeast Asia. Thailand and Cambodia has signed an immediate ceasefire halting 3 weeks of intense border clashes. The worst fight in years between these long-time neighbors. Artillery barrages, rocket fire, fighter jets, and airstrikes have finally fallen silent after claiming over 100 lives and displacing nearly 1 million people from homes along the disputed 800-kilometer frontier. Defense Minister T. Saha of Cambodia and Nathaphone Narkfanit of Thailand shook hands at a border checkpost, agreeing to freeze troops' lines, protect civilians, and if the truce holds for 72 hours, return captured soldiers. This is the second ceasefire attempt this year, brokered after earlier Trump and ASEAN efforts. The guns are quiet for now, but the next 72 hours will decide if families can finally return homes or if old rivalries flare again. Peace hangs by a thread. The world watches.